Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make hidden words on Threads app. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up the Threads application on your Android and iOS, and then you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and this will open up your profile on Threads app. Then you need to basically tap on the two lines at the top right here, then go into the privacy, and here you can see that we have hidden words here. Okay, so just tap on this one, and now what's we're gonna have to do here, what this will do is these settings also apply to comments you receive on Instagram, offensive words or phrases. If you turn it on, then basically those type of words will be hide out, custom words and phrases, and basically you can basically add some custom words as well. Okay, so if you turn it on, you can just tap on this one, and here you can see if you want to remove this word hello. Okay, then what this will do is that if any of the comment, any of the reply includes this word, that comment or that reply will not be shown to you. So that's how this works. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.